So how's guys? This is Craig here, just showing you how I'm trading Bitmex trading Bitcoin on Bitmex right now. It's insanity. Got 4 accounts running here, 5 actually. Going to be opening up another 5. This is this is it. Get in, guys. Get in. Contact me. I'll do my best to get back to you. Send you the links, but it's a little bit too late now. But you can still try. You can still try to get in. The thing is, the way I always try to explain to people, you don't prepare for war on the day of war, right? You prepare yourself long before. And a lot of people haven't been preparing themselves. Now they're asking me for information. You don't even have Bitcoin. You haven't even registered the account. Some people have been, every time they ask for information, I send them the links and they take no action. Now you want the links. So guys, listen, take action before we go to $80,000 because that's where we're going. Cheers.